गाता रहे मेरा दिल.
At 22, do we feel ashamed of asking for money from our parents?
100%. Or it's not ashamed by. I think it's more so responsibility which seeps in.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if I picture myself being married and if my kid at 22 who's still figuring out his or her life, I would feel really bad as a parent अगर उन लोगों के अंदर वो डर है to ask for money or ask for any kind of help for that matter.
पर भाई it's not about डर. मतलब मुझे डर नहीं है मांगने में. If I ask them, they'll give. But the thing is, मैं उस एक्सटेंट तक जाऊंगी जहाँ तक मैं खुद को संभाल सकती हूँ. Then it's a different matter. अगर एकदम it's like I'm on edge of the hill only. But I don't think till you reach over there, क्योंकि बहुत comfort आ जाता है फिर कि हाँ वो तो है ही.
नहीं, I'm not saying comfort and you stop striving for more, but it's just that कि I see a lot of kids who would sacrifice on their lifestyle, would sacrifice on the basic means of living because they don't want to ask for help from their parents.
यार पर when you ask,
and you are one of them.
I am 100% I am, but भाई lifestyle sacrifice नहीं होता है. I think so. What we ask from our parents is for a better lifestyle. इसलिए हम हमेशा पैसे मांग लेते हैं उनसे कि है ना कि हमें वहाँ जाना है, शॉपिंग करनी है, ये सब करना है, because we are not able to save that money to do that. I think उन चीज़ों के लिए at least you know once you are out of college and you have a job, I'm not saying job नहीं है तब तक you can stay away from money your parents are giving. Of course उस time के लिए चाहिए होता है, but उसके बाद it's more to do. You have to take care of yourself.
I understand and I see where you're coming from. So this debate is not for people जिनके यहाँ पर they are the soul. Like even कुछ लोगों के life में responsibility they take on very like early in their life. But for somebody who comes from a well-off family, मेरे घर में पैसों का ये concept नहीं है कि this is your money or my money. So if I earn whatever money I earn, if my parents need like 70% of it on day 1 or day 2 of me receiving the salary, I would give it to them, like all of it, because मैं मेरे expenses बाद में manage कर लूँगी. और ठीक है, it's a good thing that you divide your money, you divide your expenses, you know where your money is going. But यार अगर वो लोग मांग रहे हैं तो I won't think twice, because and that is how it should be, right? So if I ask for money, it just goes both ways in our family.
But I think that's the difference. हमारे घर में no one asks money. बच्चों से पैसे नहीं मांगते हैं. That's a thing. And I think they start asking after a while. मतलब एक buffer zone रहता है इस time period में, एक age का. और उसके बाद ही you start giving to your parents and everything, because they also know that you are figuring out right now.
Maybe. See, it comes from like different family, different opinions. For me, it's just like कि सबका पैसा सभी का पैसा है. कुछ डिवाइडेड
ही है, बट वो वही चीज़ है ना, द सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि एंड स्पेशली इफ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, लाइक इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूटीन पाथ विच यू नो कन्वेंशनली फैमिलीज में होता है. तुम डॉक्टर नहीं बन रहे, तुम इंजीनियर नहीं बन रहे, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम दैट काइंड ऑफ बैकग्राउंड. हम मीडिया परस्यू कर रहे हैं एंड समथिंग यू हैव परस्यूड. अब तुम्हें इट्स नॉट अबाउट प्रूविंग, बट इट इज़ मोर टू डू विथ आई विल डू इट.
So like if today you want to start something of your own and you want to quit your job, you will have to ask for money, some sort of financial help from your parents only. Are you in a position, do you have the guts to do that now?
Yeah, I can do that, but I don't think at right now, because why है ना, because I have literally worked very hard to be where I am right now. But again with coming age तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं इससे ज़्यादा चाहिए. And maybe you need to backtrack everything.
I come from the kind of family जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि यार job can only take you to a point, and this has always been the plan A, मतलब to do something of your own. So maybe do you think it's that kind of approach कि business family से आ रहे हो या job family से आ रहे हो?
I come from a business family. I come from a very job oriented family. सब job करते हैं, everyone, भैया भाभी, daddy and everyone job करते हैं. तो वही है. I think that is one of the biggest factors.
Are you comfortable asking for money from your family even after you earn?